Ford Motor Company, founded in 1903, continues to be one of the most influential automobile manufacturers in the world. Over more than a century, the company has built a powerful global brand associated with reliability, innovation, and mass production efficiency. Today, Ford operates in numerous international markets and focuses on three major business areas: traditional gasoline vehicles, electric vehicles, and commercial fleet services. Its F-Series pickup trucks remain among the best-selling vehicles globally, demonstrating the company's continued strength in the truck and commercial vehicle segments. In recent years, Ford's financial performance has remained generally stable, with revenues showing gradual growth. The company generates strong cash flows, which help it invest heavily in future technologies, particularly electric vehicles and digital mobility services. While revenue growth has been positive, profitability has faced pressure because Ford is investing billions of dollars into electric vehicle development, battery technology, and advanced manufacturing systems. These investments are essential for long-term competitiveness, even though they temporarily reduce profit margins. One of Ford's biggest strengths is its strong brand heritage and customer loyalty, especially in North America, where it dominates the pickup truck and commercial vehicle markets. The company has also expanded its services business, offering fleet management, telematics, and software-based solutions to commercial customers. These service-based revenues are becoming an important and profitable part of Ford's long-term strategy because they generate recurring income rather than one-time vehicle sales. Additionally, Ford's strong liquidity position provides financial security, allowing the company to withstand market fluctuations and continue funding innovation. Despite these strengths, Ford faces several challenges. The transition from gasoline vehicles to electric vehicles is expensive and complex. Ford's electric vehicle division is still not consistently profitable, largely due to high production costs, supply chain adjustments, and heavy research and development spending. Competition in the global automotive industry is intensifying, with companies such as Tesla, BYD, Toyota, and other manufacturers investing aggressively in electric mobility and autonomous driving technologies. Furthermore, Ford still relies heavily on the North American market for a large portion of its profits, which creates some regional economic risk. At the same time, the company has significant opportunities. The global shift toward electric transportation is accelerating, and Ford's growing electric vehicle lineup positions it to capture future demand. The expansion of commercial fleet services, connected vehicle technology, and software-based